Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem Kroger fuel points. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So to redeem your fuel points, you must first enter your alt ID at the pump and then follow the prompt instructions. After that, you will actually have several options for redeeming your points at the pump. So option 1 and 2 is choose a month to redeem the full amount of fuel points available. And pretty much what this means is that you can select which month's fuel points you want to use for your current purchase of fuel. So if that appeals to you, you can go ahead and choose that option. However, if you're not that interested, we can check out the next option. And that is enter the amount you want to use in 10 cent per gallon increments. This basically means that you can choose how many of your fuel points you want to use for your current fuel purchase. And it has to be in increments of 10 cents per gallon. So, for example, if you had 200 fuel points, you could choose to use 100 of them for a discount of 10 cents per gallon. And the final option is save 3 cents per gallon using your loyalty ID. And this means that by using your Kroger loyalty ID, which is usually your phone number or a card number at the pump, you can save 3 cents per gallon on your fuel purchase. This is a standard discount to all members of the Kroger loyalty program, regardless of the number of fuel points they have accumulated. So this has been my video showing you all the ways in which you can redeem Kroger fuel points. If you've watched this video and found it helpful, please go ahead and comment down below to say it helped you out. And also like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.